First of all, congratulations. Buying your first home is a huge milestone. It's exciting, it's a little intimidating, and if you're like most first-time buyers, you probably have about 100 questions running through your head right now. How much money do I need? Where do I start? How do I get approved? What if I make a mistake? How do I know I'm getting a good deal? The good news is that buying your first home doesn't have to be overwhelming. When you understand the process and have the right team around you, it's actually much more manageable than most people expect. I'm Boyce Williams with eXp Realty, and my goal is helping you make the right move. Today, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process of buying your first home in Hugo, Minnesota. Let's get started. Step number 1 is understanding your finances. Before you start looking at homes online, before you attend open houses, and definitely before you fall in love with a property, it's important to understand your financial picture. How much money do you have available for a down payment? What does your credit look like? What monthly payment feels comfortable to you? What are your financial goals over the next several years? You don't need to have everything figured out perfectly, but having a general understanding of your finances creates a much smoother experience. Step number 2 is getting pre-approved. This is the one most important step in the entire process. A pre-approval helps you understand how much home you may qualify for and what your monthly payment could look like. It also strengthens your position when it's time to make an offer. Sellers take pre-approved buyers much more seriously than buyers who haven't spoken with a lender yet. And perhaps most importantly, it gives you confidence because you'll know your numbers before you begin shopping. Step number 3 is choosing the right real estate agent. Now, obviously, I'm a little biased here, but having someone guide you through the process can save you a tremendous amount of stress. A good buyer's agent helps you understand neighborhoods, identify potential concerns, negotiate on your behalf, coordinate inspections, explain contracts, and help you avoid costly mistakes. Buying a home involves a lot of moving parts. Having an experienced guide can make a huge difference. Step number 4 is defining your goals. This is where we create your home search strategy. What areas are you considering? What price range makes sense? How many bedrooms do you need? How important is a home office? What about a yard? What about schools? What about commuting? One of the biggest mistakes first-time buyers make is focusing only on the house. I encourage buyers to think about the lifestyle they want as well. Because you're not just buying a home, you're buying a location and a lifestyle. Step number 5 is beginning your home search. This is the fun part. We'll start touring homes, comparing neighborhoods, evaluating features, and narrowing down your options. One thing I always tell buyers is this: don't panic if the first home isn't perfect. Very few homes check every single box. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is finding the right home for this stage of your life. Step number 6 is making an offer. Once you've found a home you love, we'll put together a strategy to make your offer as strong as possible. Depending on the market conditions, that could include negotiations around price, closing costs, inspection terms, possession dates, and other important details. Every situation is completely different. That's why having a strategy matters. The step number 7 is completing inspections and due diligence. This is one of the most important protections available to buyers. A professional home inspection helps identify potential issues before closing. No home is perfect. The goal isn't to find a perfect house. The goal is to understand what you're buying so you can make an informed decision. Step number 8 is finalizing your financing. Your lender will verify documentation, complete underwriting requirements, order the appraisal, and prepare everything needed for closing. During this phase, it's important not to make major financial changes. Avoid opening new credit cards. Avoid buying large ticket items. Avoid making significant changes to your financial profile until after closing. Step number 9 is the final walkthrough. Shortly before closing, we'll visit the property to make sure it's in the expected condition and that any agreed upon items have been completed. This is your final opportunity to verify everything before ownership transfers. And finally, step number 10 is closing day. This is the day you sign the final paperwork, receive the keys, and officially become a homeowner. It's one of my favorite moments in real estate. After weeks or months of planning, searching, and preparing, you finally get to walk into your home as the owner. It's a pretty incredible feeling. Now, if all that sounds like a lot, don't worry. You don't need to memorize every step. That's what your team is for. The most important thing is simply getting started. One thing I've learned over the years is that many first-time buyers delay buying because they believe they're not ready. Often they discover they're much closer than they thought. The key is getting accurate information instead of making assumptions. If you're thinking about buying your first home in Hugo, White Bear Lake, or the Northeast Metro, I'd be happy to help you understand your options and create a step-by-step plan. No pressure, no obligation, just guidance. Quick question for you. What's the biggest thing you're worried about when it comes to buying your first home? The down payment, the monthly payment, getting approved, finding the right home, making a mistake? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what's on your mind. And if you'd like my complete first-time buyer blueprint, message me back with the word first, and I'll send you my guide along with the steps I use to help first-time buyers make the right move.